Hey guys, it's really late and I've been posting 3 videos today, I think, and it takes a lot out of me, man, mentally. I can feel myself crashing a little bit, so I'm going to retreat to the land of arcs and sparks and record some restoration stuff. And I'm sorry about the screen refresh nightmare here, but it's an impromptu video. I like the audio recording this way far better than running a screen cap program. My question here, my comment is regarding SpaceWeather.com. Really? SpaceWeather? Or is it EarthWeather.com? Right? Now, here, Marianne comes and goes, and I'm sure she's a fine woman. But what I'm thinking is, whoa, I know the fans have been crazy lately, so I look down, 12 sunspots, okay. What's the SFU? 76. Wow, it was only like 71 or 2 something a couple days ago. We got crap going on. Now I'm wondering, I wonder what the K index is. Well, here, let me try to find it. No, not there. There's the, you know what I mean? And I scroll back up to the top and I start reading a dark filament eruption on the sun. So I'm thinking, oh yeah, maybe, but no, that's not the cause of our band's woes of late. But I started reading a dark filament of magnetism. Whoa, flung itself away from the sun? Oh my God, right? Yesterday, February, blah, 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 the eruption split the sun's atmosphere. Holy shit, really? Creating a broad, oh my God, a canyon of fire? It's certainly the end of the world. And hurling a coronal mass ejection into space. Oh, we got some fun coming, boys. And I see this picture down below. I start reading CIR, a counter-rotating, what is the interaction region, right? Hits Earth, sparks Arctic auroras. Oh, that's the reason there why our woes of late. And I'm thinking, oh, certainly they got a video of this chaos, this nightmare, this end of the world shit, right? But no. What are they featuring? An aurorae. An aurora display, which, by the way, it takes place in our stratosphere and or ionosphere. I'm not sure which. I think both. But irregardless, it's our atmosphere, damn it. And the light show happens here on Earth, not in space. Perhaps they changed their name to EarthWeather.com. Just a few comments. In Blowzo's Propo report, be well. I'm taking a break and I'll be back with some restoration stuff. Take care, guys. 73.